Well, good day and welcome to Excel Questions. My name's Tom, and today we're looking at the Advanced Functions question 1. And this question is all about sum product. And sum product probably gets a bit of a bad rep if you've never seen it before, because the name's a little bit deceiving. Sounds like another simple sum function, but it's a whole lot more than that. And in its essence, it's basically a countif or SUMIF on steroids. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, with a SUMIF, for example, or SUMIFs, if you want to use multiple criteria, you'll sum a section like this, or column like this, column C, based on if column A is 1 and column B is M. With sum product, you can sum across 2 dimensions. So I can sum column A at answer 1, answer 2, and answer 3 based on those criteria. Here you can see an example of a sum product doing this. So I'm looking at that range there for selected. If that's flagged 1 and C to F1 is answer 1, I can sum the entire range here. And I can change this criteria. I can use the ever classic OR function, or AND. So let's use OR, put an OR in there, put answer 2, close that up, and you can get a sum of both columns at the same time based on those criteria, 45, 45 there. And so you can nest functions within sum products easily as well. It does work with arrays, so you want to be careful on how many times you use this. You wouldn't want 1,000 cells of sum products, that would slow your machine down. But if you want to do some specific subtotaling or analysis on a table of data, then sum products your formula. In this particular set of questions, they basically replicate some things you can do with SUMIF or COUNTIF to get you used to the function. And then there's a couple of additional options down the bottom there where you're going above and beyond what COUNTIF or SUMIF can do. And that's a brief introduction to sum product. How you answer these questions is entirely up to you. If you want the template workbooks, you can access them via the link in the description to this video. And that's about it for me. Have a good day. Thank you very much.